This Be More Lifestyle segment is sponsored by Precision Eye Care.
June is Cataract Awareness Month. More than 24 million adults over 40 in the U.S. suffer from cataracts. But what if there was a way to treat cataracts before they become an issue? Well, thankfully, there is. It is called a Refractive Lens Exchange, and it is changing lives. Here to tell us more is Dr. Maria Romero from Precision Eye Care. Dr. Romero, thank you for being here.
Thank you, Alex, for having me.
What is Refractive Lens Exchange?
A refractive lens exchange is a vision correction procedure where we replace the eye's natural lens with an artificial implant lens and allow us to correct the vision of the patients that way. It's very similar to the modern cataract surgery. The difference is that the patients didn't develop a cataract yet. Different with other vision correction procedures like LASIK that reshape the cornea of the eyes, refractive lens exchange correct the vision from inside, changing the, replacing the lens. And that's very convenient for patients over 40, over 50, that they're developing up-close vision problems. Another benefit is that since we replace the lens, the patients won't develop cataracts. So it's a lifelong-term procedure and vision correction, no?
Thank you for that. What is the procedure itself like for folks?
So the procedure lasts like about 15 to 20 minutes. Is painless. It's done with topical anesthesia and a light sedation. And what we do, we do a small incision, like 2 millimeters incision in the eye, and we replace, we remove the natural lens, and we replace it with this artificial lens that is very tiny. We fold it like a taco, inside the eye, in unfold, and stay permanently there where the natural lens was.
Who are sort of good candidates for this? Anybody?
Yeah, well, a good candidate are adults over 40 and 50 that are struggling and feel frustrated with the glasses, like, like having bifocals, trifocals, progressive glasses, and they just don't feel like that fits their lifestyle. And we can correct nearsighted, farsighted, astigmatism, and problems, what patients have up-close vision problems, and they need to hold the phone farther away because, they can see clear.
Sure. If folks want to learn more how you and your practice and this procedure can help them, where should they go? Website, etc.
Yeah, it's Precision Eye MD. We are located at the Rotunda, and our phone number is 410-377-2422.
Dr. Romero, thank you so much for the insight and what you do.
Thank you, Alex. Thank you for having me.